Hello, the thermal printer demo using Fujitsu controller. We are using a development board from Fujitsu. The controller used is MB9AF314L. But in this base development board, we are not using any of these peripherals. We are only using this pinout from the controller. That pinouts are connected to one more board, that is a thermal printer base board from Koinel Technology Solutions, Bangalore. So those pinouts from this Fujitsu controller is connected to this baseboard, and in this baseboard we have option for serial connectivity, that is UART, and power supply for that board, and we have a thermal printer mechanism connected to this board. We can connect 2-inch mechanism as well as 3-inch mechanism from Fujitsu. Even this mechanism is used from Fujitsu itself. So even we have a driver IC used to run this drive motor mechanism, and we have two switches in this baseboard. The second switch, this switch used for paper feed. If I press that switch, paper will feed by one line. The other button, uh, which is used to print an image, that image is loaded internally in the controller itself. And even in this baseboard we have three LEDs. The first LED shows the status of the printing. When it is printing, the LED will be on. When it's not printing, the LED will be off. The second LED and third LED is for platen detect and paper detect of this mechanism, thermal printer mechanism. If anything, if paper is not detected or platen is not detected, that LED will be on. And we have an application in the computer to send the data from computer to this thermal printer. This application is called Terminal. So we have option for different font. So we have option for small fonts, bigger fonts, we have option for image, barcode printing, and text printing, etc. So if we have text here, typed here, that is Koinel Technology Solutions LLP, Bangalore. And if I press a small font and if I press send button here, that text will be printed in small font. Okay, and then if I select the bigger font and if I press send, bigger font will be printed. And we have option for barcode. So there is a macro in this application. If I click on that macro, the barcode will be printed. The barcode as well as the number from that barcode will be printed. And even we can send an image from this application. So for that I need to select the file, that is bin file. The image should be converted to bin file. I'll select the butterfly image and I'll press open. That butterfly image will be printed. Simultaneously I'll select some other image and I'll press open. That particular image will be printed. Even we can send a text file also. So I have a text file here and that so many text is typed, and if I press open that, the whole text file will be printed. Whichever the font is selected, it will print in the same font. If small font is selected, it will print in a small font. If it is big, so it will print in a big font. Thank you for watching.